Hello, everyone. This is Dan Gramza, and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, December 20th. Let's see what the NASDAQ did on Thursday's action here. We were looking for unchanged to higher, and basically had not much higher and basically unchanged. The market's absorbing this tapering information, but when it comes to Friday's action, which is really what we're going to focus on now, I am looking for follow through to the upside. Ideally, we close, above that 35.30. Let's move on. Take a look at those currencies. The euro continued weaker. I was looking for a sideways move in the euro. And as you can see here, this market got weaker over the last session. Right, here's Thursday, here's Friday, and it's continued to get weaker. I am not looking for a dramatic move down, though, in the euro. I'm looking for a market to get maybe a little bit weaker here, but not a big move to the downside. And I'd like to see a little bit of a shadow here for me, actually. But let's move on, and let's take a look at the interest rates. Interest rates, well, kind of a market that went a little bit weaker and got kind of an unchanged type day. That is the kind of behavior I was looking for, and I would like to see more of that action today. However, I'm not looking for a big day down, a relatively quiet small day for the interest rate markets. When it comes to gold here, we saw some weakness coming into that market. Let me just pull that right back up here. There we go. That weakness, not surprising, as this market's been struggling. People abandoned ship. I'm not looking for follow through to the downside. I'm looking for buyers to actually come back in for gold. Crude oil did firm up a bit. As we saw, the stock market has been relatively quiet. This market here, I'm not looking for continuation to the upside. I'm looking for a sideways type move. And when it comes to the grains, as we talked about before with beans, that'd be very difficult for it to get through these levels. It was very bouncy. That's the right kind of behavior. And I'm looking for unchanged to higher for our friend Mr. Bean. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I'm looking forward to being with you again, and in the meantime, take care.